We begin our birthday list with Olivia Webber, who's celebrating her 5th birthday. I tell you what, kiddo, from somebody who has to wear contacts all the time, I think you have some of the most adorable glasses that I have ever seen. I love those, Olivia. You look so pretty in those. A very happy 5th birthday to Olivia and Galena. Annalie and Nat, how great is that? Yeah, somebody's not spoiled, are they? I'm sure Anniella takes very good care of her best friend right there. That is a marvelous picture. Anniella is turning the big number 7. Happy birthday, kiddo! And you know what? You tell your puppy a very happy birthday from all of us as well. Eliana Berger is celebrating her 9th birthday. Now, what is this get-up that we have here? I tell you what, it's elaborate and I think it's cool. That's the best part of it. I don't know if that came from a festival or what that was. I feel like Natasha Kinski's gonna jump out at me. But anyway, she celebrates her 9th birthday in Pittsburgh. And Eliana, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come from Grandma, Papa, and Aunt Kelly. And beautiful, beautiful makeup right there. Jackson Westerveld is now double digits as he turns 10, and he is holding on to a Pokemon card right there in his left hand. And that sweatshirt would indicate to me that there's a little Southeast Lancer pride. So everybody out there at Southeast, make sure you wish Jackson a very happy 10th birthday. Brayden Green is a teenager. Happy birthday, Brayden. He's celebrating the big number 13 right there. I want you to have a great day, Mr. Green. You're teenage years, and I had to step my game up there and address you appropriately. Brayden, happy birthday, and Crestline. And Kennedy Bullard, she is celebrating her 17th birthday. Marvelous picture there, Miss Kennedy. I love that. She's a junior at Columbus High School. And Kennedy, I want you to know that these special birthday wishes come with love from Mom and Dad. That's great. Danny Malvin, an 18th birthday outside of his ride. Danny, a very happy birthday to you as he will celebrate in Reeds. And Brittany Robinson, now get this, we got a golden birthday on our hand. When you see the number go to gold, you know what that is, a 27 on a 27. Cool picture too, Brittany. A very happy birthday, and enjoy your golden birthday as she is down in Thayer. And I hope you guys had a marvelous time right there. I'm gonna guess Royals get Ron. What do you think? Kauffman Stadium? That's what I'm gonna guess Kauffman. I hope you guys had a marvelous time out at the game. That's a cool picture. Karen Wildis, she is turning 76, and what a great family picture that we have here. As Miss Karen is pictured with her daughter, that's Abby, and then her 3 grandsons are with her as well. There's Cooper, there's Landry, and there's Bennett. And Karen is celebrating her 76th birthday. Miss Wildis, a very happy birthday to you with love from all of the family as she celebrates in Fort Scott. At Medical Lodges, one of our licensed practitioner nurses is Brianna Ferguson. And please wish Miss Brianna a happy birthday. Should you see her out at Medical Lodges, Brianna, from all of us here, a happy birthday. And Brady Phillips celebrating birthday number 19. Brady, happy birthday to you in Parsons. And a happy birthday and happy anniversary to